Why does your scanner show the P0A08 engine code? What does it mean? P0A08 is a diagnostic trouble code for DC or DC converter status circuit. This engine code indicates that this means the vehicle's powertrain control module, PCM, has detected a problem with the system responsible for charging the 12-volt auxiliary battery from the high-voltage hybrid battery. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: faulty DC or DC converter or inverter, wiring and harness issues, defective powertrain control module (PCM), hybrid battery cooling system fault, low voltage on auxiliary battery. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Toyota models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.